Dongguan Fulund since in 1999 with its head office of TYL. It is a subsidiary of the German Kanyang Group. We are a factory specializing in the manufacturing and research and development of shoe machines. Fulund machines include insole cutting heat transfer machines, tongue heat transfer machines, hot stamping machines, and screen printing machines, etc. And currently we have launched intelligent robot shoe production machines. Fulund has a strong research and development team and after-sales department to provide users with perfect solutions. We have various types of small semi-automatic insole and tongue stamping machines, which are used in small factories and are of course deeply loved by brand shoe manufacturers. They are the first batch of machines developed by Fulund, and they are upgraded annually. Meanwhile, due to the high quality and advanced automation system of Fulund machines, our automation machines are also widely used for the processing of insoles in well-known brand factories, such as Adidas, Nike, and Vans. Fulund has 23 years of experience in shoe machine manufacturing. We have been continuously innovating to provide customers with more efficient and energy-saving production methods. Currently, we have developed intelligent robot shoe manufacturing machines, which have been applied to shoe manufacturing by well-known brands. Fulund participates in exhibitions in different places every year, which will help shoe manufacturers gain a deeper understanding of our machines, so that more shoe manufacturers can use our machines. Our machines can be exported to any country. Currently, our customers use our machines all over the world, such as the United States, Spain, Italy, Colombia, Indonesia, India, Vietnam, and so on. Our machines have very high quality and possess CE certificates, which can be exported to any country in the world. Welcome to visit our factory to establish a cooperative relationship. Thank you very much for watching this video.